Hey guys, welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. And today I'm back with another amazing video where I'm going to introduce you guys to a UK job site which was hidden for a very long time. Because I'm also involved in this website, I'm going to show you how you can find a sponsored job for yourself. And you can also see which are the employers who provided the maximum sponsorship last year so that you can target them. And everything is free, nothing is paid on this website. There's another amazing thing: you can set up an alert and you can also see which are the companies who are rated high and who is sponsoring at the moment. Few other things that you should take advantage of is interview preparation, which you can use this website completely free, and CV and cover letter. You don't need to panic anymore. If you don't know how to write a CV or cover letter, you can use this AI tool. And the last thing, you can also customize your CV and your cover letter based on the job description so that your ATS score rockets high, like 70 plus or 80 plus. So I'm going to show you everything in demo. However, the name of the website, you need to tell me if you want it or not. So you can comment website so that I can send it to you. So let's start with the demo. Okay, when you log into this website, you'll be prompted to create your profile. So make sure you have your one email ID which is registered, like your Gmail or something, and enter your password, provide your details like your phone number. You have option to manage job alerts. So whichever jobs you are interested, you can set up an alert. And on the left here, you can see notifications. Here you can see the job boards. Here you can see job trackers, CV and cover letter, which I was talking about, resume builder, saved resumes, resume preview, rewrite of LinkedIn as well, LinkedIn DM, community, blog, sponsor checker, hire me page, and interview AI. So there's quite a lot of things which you can do completely free. So the most important is jobs board. Let's start with this. When you get into the jobs board, here you have option to type the jobs. And then here at the moment, this is only, I have put GB because for UK. However, if you guys are watching this video and if you're struggling to find job in other countries, you can also use this. Australia is coming soon. But for people in Canada and Germany and Ireland, you guys can start using it, and also for Netherlands and United States. So let's stick to United Kingdom at the moment here. And you do have option to select your experience. So if you are at an entry level like a graduate, you can use these filters. But at the moment, I'm not going to use this. I'm not going to use any other filter except one filter, which is most important, which is this filter. I'm not touching upon the role. I'm talking about this filter, which is visa sponsorship. Definitely sponsor and likely sponsor. Might sponsor, don't focus on it now. So definitely sponsor, likely sponsor. Now remember, the data that we are using here on this website is taken from, not from the UK government. We have asked the UK government to give this data. And as per GDPR rules, they had given us the full list of database of employers who had sponsored people and the number of roles last year. So using that database, we have published that data here. That is the first thing which defines who will definitely sponsor. Second, what we have done, we have looked through the list of the people who are working in those companies through LinkedIn, and then looking at the profile of those people who were already, say, international students. Then we have given a tag of definitely sponsor, means we can see many international students or immigrants who are hired by that company. And likely sponsors, maybe on LinkedIn, we didn't find too much of data, but however, government has provided that database to us, so we can see they have already sponsored people last year. So this is what this two checklist means for you, and you should be using it. So I'm going to quickly check on definitely sponsors and likely sponsor and click on apply filters. So at least you can see 31,000 jobs are there, which says, definitely sponsors and then likely sponsor. You should start looking at these jobs. Again, many jobs here you can see from my list. If you are into finance, RSM, and they provide so much of so many sponsorships. My mentors, few of my mentors are working in RSM, and they are coaching and mentoring people for all finance related jobs. So if you require mentorship from my mentors, I have 12 mentors at the moment who are from different industry. You can reach out to us at yourknowledgebuddy@gmail.com so that they can mentor and coach you for 3 months, and you can achieve your dream of landing a sponsored job. So this is a huge list and of course you can go through it one by one, and on one page there are 10 to 15 jobs loaded, and then you can see the page is loading itself in terms of when you move to the next job. So there are many jobs, all the links are there, so you can go and check this out. So this is the most important filter which I wanted to show you guys, which you will not see it anywhere. Now, once you start applying for the job, this will be your dashboard. You can check which other jobs you have applied, whether you are shortlisted, you are interviewed or rejected. You can create your own dashboard here. Now, CV and cover letter, for example, this is a resume builder. So when I created a demo profile here, I've uploaded a test CV. So once you upload your test CV, it will be saved under your resume. Here you can see resume was created. And if you don't have it, you can start building it here. Now, this section CV and cover letter, again, the saved CV is taken here. And if you want to enter the job description, this is where you can tailor your CV. This is called customization based on the job description. And this is how your ATS score goes up. So you can use this bit. Now, this is resume preview. You can see the preview. You can preview your saved CV whether it's correct or not. I'll get into the rewrite LinkedIn later. Let's get into sponsor checker UK. So this is another important bit which is helping immigrants at the moment, which says how many total sponsors are there and how many are actively looking or actively hiring immigrants. You can see here total visas to 2024 to 2025. 476,000 people were granted, which is already 57.6% increase from the last year. Here, there are industries, 10 industries are covered. Total top sponsor as of today is Cognizant worldwide, and they have issued 1,500 visa. So if you guys are looking for sponsorships, what you can do, of course, you can search by company name here. You have industry. If you are from a particular industry, you can select this. And region, if you are interested in particular part of UK, you can select a region. But again, I'll say don't use any region. As an immigrant, you should be open to any region, I believe, and then start applying for the jobs wherever you get. And then here, this status is all status, which is active sponsors inactive. By default, it shows all status. If you want to select on active sponsors, you can also use this filter. I've just done inactive, so I'm going to go back to. So let's keep all status here. Now, from this list, you can see the top sponsoring companies, Cognizant, followed by Manchester University NHS Foundation Trust, EY, Deloitte, Guy's and St. Thomas NHS Foundation Trust, followed by University Hospitals, Sussex NHS Foundation Trust, Nottingham University Hospital NHS Trust. So you can see how many NHS trusts is there. If you happen to find a job from their careers portal, if you think you're the right person, apply for it and look for references on LinkedIn. If there's someone who can refer you, your chances will be really high. Look at all this NHS trust here. And then, of course, followed by KPMG, Elysium Healthcare, Oxford University, NHS Trust, again, Barts Health, Barts Health National Health Service Trust, Signet Healthcare, Cambridge, again, NHS Trust, Imperial NHS Trust. Okay, these are not universities, these are trust, followed by Bupa Care Services, Rainer Limited, BDO, and again, Mid and South Essex NHS Foundation Trust. Now you can see this is showing one of 20 pages. So there are 30,000 sponsors. So you can see there are 1,500 pages. So here you need to move to the next and then look through which are the other companies who had sponsored Maximum Visa. Again, I did not select any filter. You can use industry if you are looking for a specific industry and go through it. Okay, this is the Bible. This should be your Bible if you're looking for a sponsored job in the UK. Do not miss this. Now, coming back to the other bits that you can check is about rewriting your LinkedIn. If you don't know how to do your LinkedIn, you can use this. You can copy paste your LinkedIn profile and it will generate how a LinkedIn should be written and completely free. Also, they have introduced something called as community where you can chat with each other. There are a lot of Q&A sessions, which is already happening with people. At the moment, you can see there are 13,000 active members at the moment, and you see number of posts which are being done. So you can check what are the posts being, what people are asking. So you can chat with people and also build your own network. So this is amazing website that you guys should be going and checking out. If you want to know the name of the website, just comment website and I'll send it to you guys. And also for people who are willing to speak to me directly, make sure you follow our page on Instagram, Your Knowledge Buddy, and send me a message in my DM as Jobsite. And then I'm going to reach out to you. And also I have my team who are helping and mentoring and coaching people. Already more than 200 people have enrolled. We are also looking to coach more additional people because I have many mentors. So you can reach out to us. The easiest way is, of course, because we can send a private DMs on Instagram and not on YouTube. Message me on Instagram. Thanks for watching my video till the end, and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.